2025 is turning into a big year for drone lovers, and the second half could be especially exciting. DJI is rumored to be preparing 3 very different but equally impressive models: the Neo 2, the Avata 3, and the Mini 5 Pro. Each one is aimed at a different type of pilot, but together they show just how far drone technology is moving forward. The Neo 2 is expected to stay under that magic 250-gram limit, which means no registration headaches for most users. But don't let the tiny body fool you. This version is said to carry a stronger battery, better stabilization, and a new 111.3-inch sensor. That's a big step up for such a compact drone. Add in 4K at 60 frames per second, and suddenly casual flyers and social media creators have a tool that can deliver smooth, sharp footage without spending pro-level money. On the other end of the spectrum is the Avata 3, built for thrill seekers who crave speed and control. Whispers suggest it could reach around 140 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest consumer FPV drones to date. The larger 1-inch sensor paired with 120 FPS recording opens the door to cinematic slow-motion shots, while AI-assisted subject tracking could keep the action centered even during wild maneuvers. With about 25 minutes of flight time, it's not built for long journeys, it's built for adrenaline. Then there's the Mini 5 Pro, which could be the crown jewel of this lineup. DJI seems to be pushing professional features into a portable package, with a rumored 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 FPS video, and upgraded obstacle detection systems. A projected 36 minutes of airtime gives it the endurance many creators have been asking for. For filmmakers and serious content creators, who need quality and reliability in a small foldable drone, this one could be a game changer. Design-wise, each model carries its own personality. The Neo 2 doubles down on safety and portability, with protective propeller guards and pocket-friendly dimensions. The Avata 3 is all about immersion, featuring aerodynamic tweaks, compatibility with DJI's latest goggles, and even quieter 4-blade propellers. The Mini 5 Pro strikes a balance, portable enough for travel, but loaded with pro tools like a gimbal that rotates for vertical shots, and sensors that allow it to fly confidently in complex environments. AI and smart features are another area where these drones set themselves apart. The Avata 3 may introduce DJI's most advanced tracking yet, while the Mini 5 Pro could lean on LiDAR-inspired obstacle sensing for safer autonomous flights. Even the Neo 2, though more entry-level, is rumored to feature an upgraded transmission system capable of sending a stable video feed up to 10 kilometers away. When it comes to market positioning, each drone has a clear role. The Neo 2 will likely attract newcomers and travelers who want something light, easy, and affordable. The Avata 3 is geared toward enthusiasts willing to pay for high-speed FPV action. And the Mini 5 Pro looks ready to dominate the mid to high-end space, giving creators near-professional results in a folding frame. Together, these drones highlight DJI's strategy. No matter what kind of flyer you are, beginner, racer, or filmmaker, there's going to be a model built just for you. But the real question is, how much will they cost? And when will DJI officially reveal them? If the leaks are true, we could be just months away from one of the most exciting launches in DJI's history.